Yeah, girl, I'm gonna open this doll. Chloe's summer party. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah, I haven't been on here in 2 months. Yeah, I know. Life been life, and all right. Yeah, I know. I need to get the new ones because I only got one Bratz, always Bratz. I need the other girls, but yeah. Actually, I'm gonna talk about that anyway in this rant as well. All right. Oh, girl, I'm filming. All right. Girl, this is so unprofessional. All right, girl, I gotta get off the phone right now. All right. Ciao. All right. See ya. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Yes. I'm back. I don't... You know what? Let's just say I'm back for now. But yeah, we finna unbox my Chloe Slumber Party. And yeah, let's get into the video. Free Congo and free Sudan. And yeah, let's get into it. I got my notes. I have 5 questions. Well, not 5, but 5 things I want to talk about. But first, let me show you the doll. She has a little scratch on her face, but it's okay. I love the back. I love the back. I love the details. Like, I love this. I think they come with a poster, but it only comes with her. But I wish this was a poster as well within that pack. But yeah, I love Chloe. I love her blonde. Yeah. All right. And I love this too. I love this. I'd like to take it off as well because I have a... Oh, I should have showed you guys. I have a Sasha. Oh, I felt like I'm too close. But I have a Sasha. And I'll open her, but I kept the top. But I'm gonna keep the top of this one as well. But yeah. So first question before I open it, because I'm gonna do it off camera because it's too much. You know, it's too much tape. Why does MGA restock the dolls? I mean, why doesn't MGA restock the dolls at the stores? I feel like with Bratz Slumber Party had a limited stock, and I thought they keep them on the shelves for at least 2 years. It's like damn, they are gone. Cause the thing with this, okay, I wanted to buy them all at once, but I couldn't because I remember watching Look at Bratz. I think he said they keep restocking for like 2 years, and then after 2 years they off the shelves. But it hasn't been 2 years since Slumber Party hasn't been. I don't think so, right? But I had to bob and weave, like I had to look around like to find her and the others because they were on clearance after Christmas. I was kind of like, dang, like I wish they would have stayed for like at least a few more months. I know they have the new Bratz in the stores, the new Always Bratz line, the going out. So I know they have them in the store, but I wish they would get like more shelving within the Target, at least online, you know, because I expected these dolls to at least be a year. I don't think it has been a year. Has it been? I don't know. I think it'll be a year in spring, I think. Cause these when they come out right in spring, right? Not sure. But I wish they would have stayed a little bit longer. So yeah. MGA, hopefully with the Bratz going out, you would keep restocking them within Target and all these other stores because they selling out too quickly. And we're going to get into that on why. And I just, please keep restocking them because us people who are trying to get them, you know, because a lot of us, you know, we hard times right now. So please keep them on shelves as long as you can, or at least online, please. Thank you, management. All right, let me unbox her. So I'm unboxing her. I'm trying to look up so the sun is stuff. See, I'm opening her up. Look at her. She's so pretty. I want to do another question I wrote down. Why do y'all doll community? Why do y'all get mad when people overconsume these dolls? Y'all act like these kids are wanting dolls nowadays. And it's the truth. And ain't Toy Story finna come out with a movie to show you that? And like in 2 years, I think next year. Yeah, y'all need to watch that. And I think that's why they also don't restock. But that's why I wish they just restock online. Just a small little restock. Because I'm tired of like rushing and like having to like rush and like bob and like, well not bob, we like, it's like you're playing Lost and Found to find these dolls. Like it's really get on my nerves because it's just, I see why people overconsume. And this is my another question as well. I don't get mad when the real doll community overconsume because you know who's overconsuming? These resellers. Remember the Mean Girls? Yeah. And they're doing it now with the going out and etc. And it's really making me mad because it's just like, can y'all just leave us alone and let us buy these dolls? Can you just please leave us alone? Stop going into Target and buying a whole thing, especially the Sasha, and just put it here on eBay for like $2,000. Please stop. Leave us alone. Go do that with something else. Go do that with some anime toys, some Ninja Turtle. Go do that with that or some Pokemon, okay? Let us be, okay? Because it's really making me mad. That's why, MGA, please keep restocking in these stores. Because if you're watching this, because there's too many resellers out here that are taking all these toys and putting them on eBay, etc. and reselling them for way more than it should be worth. And it's really get on my nerves. So yeah, I just had to say that. Put that off and yeah, let me take her out the box. She's out of the box. Her hair is okay. But I also hate like when MGA, I like this gel. Can you please stop doing the gel? I don't mind my doll hair being messy a bit when I get her. Because obviously, that's what I'm saying. A lot of y'all be wanting these dolls to look so perfect, which I understand when you get them. But y'all, if y'all, like, the only reason why they do this gel is because y'all complain too much. But please, just, MJ, forget them. Just don't add this gel no more. Like, this, it make the hair too, don't add it. I don't mind using this to brush her out, you know, because Barbie does that too. You know what I'm saying? Her hair be messy. But then you get the brush and then voila, it's back to normal. But yeah, I love the feeling of her shoes. It's like suede and her slippers. I love it. And I love the pants, and I love the robe. I love her little teddy bear. I wish they were bigger so I could be able to buy them myself. That's one thing. Bratz, what are y'all doing? Like with this line, you could have did so much. Like imagine this bigger. Let's just say like they had it on the website. You could be able to purchase this, so you could be able to match with your slumber party doll. Like, come on now. But yeah, I love this as well. Imagine this with the Bratz logo right here too. Girl, yeah. I love her, and I love these little accessories. These are so cute. She's so pretty. My Chloe. I love these too. I wish they came with other slippers as well with this outfit. And I think that's it. But yeah, let's get to the questions. Let's finish it up. I don't like that MGA keeps doing designer inspired outfits for Bratz. I feel like it needs to stay for Rainbow High and not them. Can you guys see me? Is it too much sun? Sorry. See me? Am I popping up? Yeah, okay. Yeah, they need a fashion person on the team. Moi. So they can call me if they want. It doesn't feel like Bratz have... It just doesn't feel right for Bratz to have inspired designer looks. I love going out dolls, but it just... I don't know. It just makes Bratz feel cheap. And I'm right about that. I don't like when they have designer clothes on them. I don't think it looks right unless they collab with that designer. It just doesn't feel right for Bratz to me. I don't know if you guys feel the same way as well. I just don't see them wearing inspired designer pieces unless it's Rainbow High. And I got some Rainbow High dolls I want to buy y'all. So tune in, subscribe. So yeah, it's just, I don't like it. And I just hope they change that, get a new designer on the team. I just feel like leave Rainbow High with their own designer and leave Bratz with their own designer. Yeah. I want Bratz to, that's my last question. I want Bratz to make fashion packs. We need them. If y'all need some fashion packs, like ideas, Bratz, get me on the line. Call me. I can help you guys. I will be getting paid for that. But yeah, add me to the team with that. But yeah, it's just, I love Bratz, and I don't, like, I want them to keep doing what they need to do, because I'm just living out my inner child dreams. Today's Sunday, I'm filming this, you're gonna see it today, and this is like my inner child day, and I just love Bratz. I just love, like, Barbie. I just love dolls, period. I love all dolls, and it's just, it feels so good to see the dolls that you always wanted to get as a kid in the stores. And just, yeah, thank you though, MGA, you know, for doing all of this. And yeah, all right guys, that's it. Is she so pretty? We're twins. All right, we're gonna go. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
You're right straight out, look in.
Look in. One quick question.